Hey friends, welcome to Bobilon YouTube channel. Let's create something beautiful together. Today I'll show you how to make perfect seamless round basket. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to try Bobilon yarn, visit our website. All links are in the description below. Let's talk about materials. To make this beautiful basket, you only need a few supplies. Start with a t-shirt yarn. I'm using Bobilon in medium size, only one skein necessary for whole basket. Oh, and it's mustard color. In addition to the yarn, we're going to need a 7mm crochet hook and plastic needle. We already have perfect seamless round crochet base. I made 8 rows round circle. You can see how to make it in previous video tutorial. I'll leave you link in description below. And now we start with crochet sides. I'm going to use the same seamless joining method as with the side roll bottom. For this method, we need the tail. So, at first I need to show you. Here is our front loop, back loop, and third loop. Insert the hook into both back loop and third loop and complete the single crochet. We do this to give us a nice sturdy transition from the base to the sides, but also to give us a nice clean look on the outside of our basket. Crochet this row using back and third loop in the same way till the end. Now let me remind you how to join the row. Frog half of the last stitch. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Crochet them using the tail and pull it out. Now insert the hook back to front under the both loops of first stitch. Hook up the tail and pull it to the back side. Find a strip behind the last stitch, insert the hook, and then slip the hook under the back loop of the last stitch. Draw the tail to the back again. As you can see, the first row is joined seamlessly. Let's start the second row. I'm going to do a waistcoat stitch in this next stitch. Here, so if I look at the front of my stitch, I have a right leg and I have a left leg. I'm going to insert my hook between the 2 bars of that stitch. Here we have a waistcoat stitch. Next, I'm going to single crochet in the back loop of this next stitch. So we're going to repeat those 2 stitches around. Waistcoat stitch and single crochet stitch to the back loop. Remember to join each row with the tail. Crochet in the same way all net rows till you have desired height. Now when we reach the necessary height, I have 8 rows. You may have the same quantity or more. So now I'm going to crochet last row to give our basket neat and nice final look. Make single crochet stitch to the back loop. And now crochet slip stitches to the back loop of each stitch. Now cut the thread. Take plastic needle and join the row as I show you. And let's hide the tails with plastic needle. Look at the final result! Our basket perfectly holds its shape. It is so cute and beautiful. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. I really hope it was helpful and you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to share your project with us on social media with #Bobilon. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.